Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. So I had a great visit with Mixed Media Girl. She came from California to visit. We did a swipe together and some abstract painting just for fun, just to relax. We had a pedicure and a massage and just really had some nice quiet quality time together creating. And then she went to see Christina Welch and spent some time with her. So she was very gracious and gave me a couple of her split cups, and here is one right here. It's in her Mixed Media Girl Etsy shop. I have a link below the video in the description. This one holds 10 ounces. I always write things on the bottom of my cups if I can't remember. It's just much easier to write it on there. And of course they can be cleaned out and used over and over again. So this is going to be a split cup. I'm going to do strictly black and white. I always love black and white paintings, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And then I'm going to be using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic black and white 1:1 with Floetrol water-based. And then a lot of water is added to get it to the right consistency. Flow acrylic in the quart bottles is fabulous. It's about $10 at Michael's. You can usually get it on sale. It's not made to just do like pours with. You have to mix it with a pouring medium Floetrol or something and add water to make it more fluid. It is actually kind of thick. But this is my go-to for all of my acrylic pours. I use the same white and black always. That way, if I ever need to do touch-ups, I always know exactly which paint to go to do my touch-ups. So that's the colors. So I've got my white mixed in a cat treat container. My black is mixed in a Coffee Mate container, just whatever you have around. So I'm going to layer up, and I want multiple layers. And this holds 10 ounces, and this canvas is 16 by 20. So that means that I need probably about 12 to 13 ounces minimum. So, whoops, I'm so messy. It's supposed to be in layers, and I'm not even pouring it in layers. So anyway, I will probably add some paint to the edges, the outskirts of the painting, just to make sure there's plenty. It doesn't matter to me if these are layered perfectly, because it's going to be like a tree ring. I want it to be a traveling tree ring, actually. And I know that's one of tree ring pours are one of Marcy's favorite. So we're going to experiment with her split cup here and see how it looks. Here we go. I'm going to leave just a touch in the cup in case I need it, but there's really not much in that cup left. I'm going to put white in the corners. This is where you don't have to be precise, because it's all going to be going over, sliding over it, and it's just a base to help it flow easier over the edges. Let me torch it just for a second to get any bubbles out. Don't really want cells, but you know, it may happen regardless, so we'll just kind of see how it pans out. Sometimes your lines look like hair. So I'll let it go ahead and go over the corner. I'm just going to do that for the heck of it. Just to break up some of the lines. Kind of looks like a tornado. It's pretty cool looking. I want to get some of that darker area out into it and a little less of the white. But I do like the funnel-y look there. Do I want to go over it or just leave it? I might just leave it. I think I'll leave it. I was going to do like a ribbon pour through it, but this has some unique characteristics that kind of look like a cyclone or hurricane or something, and a little bit of an outer space feel, which I love. And I could totally manipulate it with my stick and blowing and all kinds of other things, but I think I'm going to just leave it. I do want to see. I'm getting rid of that one. Whoops, got my paper towel in the paint here. You know, if anything stands out that's just like, boom, don't want that, then you can always touch it up. Alright, so I'm going to call this one done. I quite like it. Pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. If you do, click the bell in the bottom right to get notifications when I post new videos. Make sure to check out the links below the video. I have the link for Mixed Media Girls Etsy shop for the split cups. I always list the products I use below the video. There's all kinds of cool links to go to my Facebook group, my online tutorials. I'll be adding a class here by the time this video posts that will offer a tutorial on how to embellish resin pieces with acrylics between layers of resin. It's a really cool course. Very cheap, and you might really enjoy it. So make sure to check the links out and please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.